Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how I did my yuno gasai makeup from mirai Nikki. I'm starting by cleaning my face. Now I'm taking some pink eyeshadow and I'm putting in the crease above my eye and also a little bit under. Now I'm taking some black eyeshadow and I'm putting very close to my lashes line and also on the side. I'm taking some white eyeshadow and I put it in the inner corner of my eye to make it look bigger. Okay, now I'm just putting eyeliner. I like to use first pen eyeliner to draw the shape and after that to fill in with the gel eyeliner. Now I'm putting some white pencil under my eye and on the waterline to make my eye look bigger. Painting my eyebrows pink. Just putting on foundation. And setting it with setting powder.
Confined into living up to gender roles and having absent minds. Don't you think it's funny how they tell us how to live? Don't you think it's funny how we're all delinquent kids? Like, hush now, don't say, don't say. Hush boy, don't say a word. Throw on a jersey,
I'm putting concealer on my lips and then I draw two lines in the sides of my mouth to make it look bigger. I take red lipstick and I put it on in the center of my mouth to make it look cute. putting some lashes. And now mascara. Oops, forgot to add blush. Okay, so I'm done. This is the finished look. I'm gonna put my wig now and change my outfit. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. My social media and the channel social media would be linked down below. Until next time, stay calm and keep on cosplaying. Bye!
There's nothing left to take from me.